What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Wildhook Adventures. Today we are out here in Wyoming. We stopped here at Brook Lakes. We're going to be doing some trout fishing, throwing out some flies and some lures. Tied on a little panther martin. I have a little tiny fly. I don't know what that's called. And I have a top water. Kind of looks like a grasshopper. We're going to walk out here and see if we can hook up on some of these fish they have here. I have a top water and a drop fly. That way I have two chances of catching these fish. Oh, I can see what they're talking about. There is a algae bloom in here. Good thing we don't have any pets with us. Lake is pretty shallow. Get into deeper water. So I'm pretty glad that I did put on my waders. Just trying to make sure I don't step in a deep hole or a sinkhole or something. We'll see a float tube out there. There we go. We're starting to get into hot deeper water. So that's pretty interesting. Okay. I would say this is good enough. Try to get these flies out. As far as I can. Switch this out for a streamer. All right, we switched to a olive green streamer. The lady said they were having success with the streamers, the green ones. So let's get this guy out there. Tangle this. I'm gonna go get my luring rod. See if I have better luck with that one. I went back to the RV. I'm gonna throw out this little yellow panther martin. Heading to the next week. Got my flies, got my lure. Let's get out there.
Get him.
Same sign as the other lake. Do not clean your fish in the area because of the bears. We'll start off with this fly setup that I have. Got the wind at my back, so. Oop. And let go of the string. Or the fishing line, I should say. Can see that streamer going down. Oh, fish just popped right there. Pete, tie on a small split shot and then just reel in. Got one. Fish on. What are you, little buddy? Got it. It's a little cutty. How's it going? Nice little cutty.
You're catching like crazy.
I know, I've been watching you guys. So are these all stalker cutthroats?
I'm not sure. If you ask Steve, go on and catch one right now.
Yeah.
He knows a lot more about it than me.
Oh, okay. Thank you, sir. There's a little cutthroat. Oh, got tapped. Got him. Right by the bank. He came up and got it. This guy's another cutthroat, but he looks like a mix between a brown. He's so dark. This one's hooked right in the mouth. Come on, buddy. Trying to release you, but beautiful, beautiful little cutthroat. That is a Yellowstone cutthroat right there. See the orange or the red? Going back. There he went. Beautiful.
Oh, nice.
Little Pistol Pete. Where's Santiago? Oh, he's over there getting his rod.
Mm-hmm.
Say, I got a fish.
It's a tiny little one too.
Got another one. Now I can bring this guy up and release him. Oh, that's a nice one too. Oh, he hit that good too. There we go. Another one. Ah, there he goes. Yeah, he came out from behind the log. Oh, there's one right here. Sparked his attention. And that guy popped out from the other side of the log. I watched him hit it the whole time. Yeah. Bring him this way, I can net him for you. Is that your water? Yeah. I had it in the net. I forgot about that. There you go.
I got two.
Yeah. Nice healthy release. Yeah, I forgot I had your water bottle in the net.
What do you have?
Elk,
Elk and what?
buffalo.
Ooh. Hold on.
Okay, we'll grab it. That is really good buffalo meat right there. That's a buffalo burger. We bought the burger patties at the little grocery store here in Du Bois, Wyoming. Perfect burger. Really good.